Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Shibarium makes the Shiba Inu coin worth $15 in just one night. Weird news. The Shiba Inu breed has been on the market the longest, since 2023. About 40% of the market is now made up of joke coins. But Shiba Inu controls a big part of the cryptocurrency market and is a great choice for investors who are thinking about these price rises. Some Shiba Inu whales don't know where to trade their Shiba Inu coins. Shiba Inus are becoming more and more famous, so in 2023, many businesses will start to accept them as payment. In this film, we'll talk about Shibarium, since the price of a Shiba Inu coin went from $1 to $15 overnight. Bad news. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Since December, when the price of Shiba Inus was at its lowest, it has gone up by 50%, and the amount of money traded every day has gone up to $300 million. Shiba Inus, its market cap, which is $6.8 billion, shows how its sales and prices have grown. Meme coin is now the 13th most popular cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu has 549 trillion tokens in circulation, but 589 billion Shib tokens have been locked in smart contracts so that they can't be used for trading. Shiba Inu has always been a favorite of people who hold a lot of cryptocurrency, especially people who hold a lot of Ethereum. According to whale statistics, Shiba Inu is one of the top 10 Ethereum whales who use smart contracts the most. On Friday, the story gets more interesting because Shiba Inu was one of the top 100 Ethereum whales most used smart contracts in the last 24 hours. In other news, a wealthy whale has moved a huge number of Shib tokens, possibly in preparation for the launch of the new system Shibarium. Data from Whale Alert, a platform that keeps an eye on big deals on the cryptocurrency market. At the time this was written, the purchaser sent a little more than 3 trillion Shib, which was worth about $38 million. Even though the move started in an unknown wallet, it ended up in another unknown wallet. Etherscan data shows that the wallet got about the same amount of tokens from an unidentified wallet with a zero balance about 2 weeks ago. Shiba Inu price is trading within the limits of a falling trend channel after the SHIB was turned away from the highs in January at 1,292 cents. The token is now worth 1,149 cents, and the 200-day exponential moving average limits its change to 1181 cents per day. Moving average convergence-divergence indicators show that the technical outlook is bearish, but this retracement could be temporary. Short positions in Shiba Inu price could be opened after the blue MACD line crosses below the red signal line, which confirms a sell signal. If declines continue unabated over the weekend, Shiba Inu may be forced to seek shelter at the lower boundary support of the trend channel. Or, if you prefer, the buyer's reluctance at 10 cents. On the other hand, when the 50-day EMA crossed above the 100-day EMA, traders could confidently keep their long holdings. Even though this pattern isn't a perfect golden cross, it shows that Shiba Inu is moving up and could stay there for the next few sessions or even for days. So, bulls only need to give the Shiba Inu price a small push to get over two important barriers: the 200-day exponential moving average, EMA, and the top of the trend channel. Keep in mind that a clear break and hold above this chart pattern would set the stage for gains that could reach 1,520 cents and 18 cents. Shiba Inu's peak in November. The positive story is supported by Into the Blocks map model, which shows a strong buyer congestion zone at 11 cents. About 25K addresses that bought 100.6 trillion Shib around this area would be ready to bet on a positive outcome in Shiba Inu price. At least 137.37 trillion Shib tokens are in the money, which is 69.65% of the protocol's total supply. The worthless tokens make up 27.15% of the total amount, or about 53.54 trillion. Shib. At the point where you break even, there are 6.32 trillion tokens, which is 3.20% of the total amount. There are more Shib tokens that haven't yet made a profit than ones that haven't yet made a loss or are at the break-even point. This shows that buyers would rather support a price rise for Shiba Inu than sell the token, especially with the Shibarium algorithm is about to be put into use. The Shibarium, an online group of people who like Shiba Inus, is happy to hear that Atomic Wallet will help them out right away. This move by Atomic Wallet would make the new protocol available to more than 3 million people around the world as soon as it came out. On January 16, the main people who work on the Shiba Inu community told investors that the Shibarium beta is about to be released. But the team argued that it should focus on building the Layer 2 protocol right and putting it in place in a responsible way. People in the neighborhood have been told not to ask when the launch will be, but the end is getting close. Several sites want to add the meme token after seeing how well it has done. Nothing gives people more peace of mind than knowing that businesses accept ways of payment besides cash. And now is definitely the time for cryptocurrencies. It's great to use Bitcoin to buy things. The Shiba Inu coin can now also be used to buy food. Any of the current payment apps can be used to pay for a Shiba Inu, and users find them easy to use. The GameStop Shiba Inu coin is now accepted at GameStop. Shiba Inu token and GameStop work well together to promote and increase the value of this token. Nordstrom is another well-known store in the United States that now accepts Shiba Inu tokens as payment. Many payment apps said that by December 2021, people could pay for their orders with their smartphones and Shiba Inu coins in a way that was as easy as Apple Pay or Google Pay. People who use Petco can buy food for their dogs, cats, birds, and many other pets in this area. One can also buy small animals that are still alive. Petco also has services for training dogs and going to the vet. The app can be downloaded on both Android and iPhone. U.S. Cancer Society. The American Cancer Society's goal is to get rid of cancer from the world. It does study to make this happen. It pays for care for patients so they can get rehab. Since the research in this area will take a while to make sure that everyone can take part in this good idea. It gets money because it needs money, and anyone with Shiba Inu can put through it now that it has started to accept that currency. HostKey has web services, such as private cloud options, that you can use. It has reliable real servers that are made to order, as well as servers that are growing. Its server is in the Netherlands and the US. This business that provides web services will take Shiba Inu as payment. Users of Upmex, a US-based company, can buy valuable metals from the store or sell valuable metals through the store. So, it fits the definition of an online shop. The main office of this company is in Oklahoma, USA, and it was started in the year 2000. It is one of the places that will let Shiba Inu in. The app can be downloaded from both the Apple Store and the Play Store. Sling's main office is in Colorado, which is in the United States. It all began in 2015. With its help, Sling TV users can watch live TV on May 1 St.